We'll guide you through how to fix green lines on your Samsung phone screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. These lines may just appear temporarily and disappear, or they may have been on your phone screen for a while. I've managed to go and fix this before, so let's go and get started. First of all, try opening up your settings like this, and you want to go down and click on display. In display, go and find motion smoothness, and then you can go and select standard here, and you want to go and click apply. Now go and see if that fixes your problem. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, you can come back here and you can change it back to adaptive, like so. The next thing you want to try is doing a restart of your phone. To do that, you can drag down on your phone and then drag down again in the tray, click on the power button in the top right and go and click on restart, restart again and wait. After restarting your phone, go and see if the problem is now fixed. If it still isn't, the next thing we can do is make sure your iPhone is up to date. So go and open up your settings like so, and then click on download and install like so, and it's going to go and check for updates. If there are any, it'll go and start downloading them, and we can then go and install it. After you've done that, go and see if the problem is now fixed. Now, if you're still having problems, then it could be a hardware problem. The fixes in this video we've done are more software based. So if there's actual damage to the screen, that could be the reason why, and so you'll need to go and get it repaired. But hopefully we fixed it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.